how are we today? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a pretty little thing try on haul. This is one of my favorite online stores. Literally all I've been doing during quarantine is online shopping. I think I have an addiction. This is what we're getting ourselves into today. This huge bag. I ordered so much. We're going to try it all on today, so let's jump into the video. Okay. What did I even order? Okay, so the first thing that I got is this necklace. I took off my necklace that I wear all the time. I'm sure you guys have seen it in my past 3 videos. I wear it in every Instagram picture all the time. So I was like, I need to just switch up my style and get a new necklace. And so I bought this one. Help. Okay, so with the help of my lovely assistant Caroline, we got the necklace on. That's always the struggle, isn't it? Just like trying to put your necklace on by yourself and you're like, I cannot see what is going on. This is like behind my head. I'm like reaching all over the place. It's a mess. So yeah, I don't know. Like, what do you guys think? Like, this is pretty cute.
Yeah, sparkles.
I know, I can't keep putting that in every video. Everyone knows I love sparkles. I'm not gonna just say that in every video. That's gonna get annoying real fast. Yeah, I don't know. Gold's like my aesthetic though. I don't know what's wrong with me. I always just lean towards gold. I like try to go silver and it just like does not work out for me. I think I'm just a gold girl. I already know I'm gonna like this one. As long as it fits and as long as it's not too short. But like, I'm hopeful, guys. Like, look how cute this is. This is like such good colors and like such a cute pattern. I don't know, I feel like this is like a little bit different than like stuff that you typically have with like all the ruching and like the tan, and it's so cute. I feel like this is gonna look really good. Now, cue me trying it on, it looks really bad, but like, I don't know, like I'm hopeful. Guys, can we just take a moment? Hello, waist snatched, hips, don't know where they came from. You can't tell me anything in this dress. I look so good. Let's just take a moment of silence. I like what they did here with this section. It's giving me curves I don't have. You can eat in this and not have a food belly because it's, or what's that called, a food belly? You can eat in this and not have a food baby because of the ruching. It's like already supposed to be like that. So catch me wearing this to my Thanksgiving dinner. Yeah, I'm wearing this to my Thanksgiving dinner. Okay, so next we have this romper thing. I don't know what this material is. It is like weirdly soft suede material. I don't know what season you wear this in because I feel like this would be too hot for the summer, but it's also short sleeved with the deep v-neck.
You said it's short sleeved.
Oh, and it has shorts at the bottom, short pants. I think it's for like that 1 week in like September maybe where it's like not too hot, not too cold. We'll see how this goes. I'm scared for this one. You show up to school and your janitor's wearing this, what do you do? It's like, I don't know, like this is so strange. Nothing good about this. Why is this that low? Who did that? We had to assemble this belt ourselves. Also, why is it short with long sleeves? There are so many things happening. This is a weird material. I almost, there's a lot going on. None of it's good. This one's going in the trash. I don't know, this is like the same kind of deal where it's like suede material, but then also short. What is going on with this tag? It's looped all around. Please do not remove unless you are satisfied with this garment. So I guess I have to keep this on while I try it on. That'll be weird. I'm not sure why none of the other pieces have that on it. Just this one. They really don't want me to wear this out and then return it, which I didn't plan on doing anyway, but okay. All right, pretty little thing, don't come for me. It has this little section right here where it'll tie, so hopefully it'll make me look snatched. But yeah, we'll just try it on. I don't know how I feel about this one. The pockets are just like weirdly placed and also pretty large. I mean, I like a dress with pockets, but this might be doing too much, right? Do we think so? Weird vibes. I feel uncomfortable in it. I don't know where I would wear this. Nice material, it's soft, but it's like not really cute. Like I don't feel cute in it. Like I don't feel like a baddie. I would not reach for this. This one looks really cute. It's like bodycon type of dress, but also daytime. This is like a cute color, isn't it? Like I feel like I don't have a lot of stuff in this color. These polka dots are really cute. I think that this will just be like really girly and like feminine and chic and adorable. And again, it has these little ties at the bottom. Caroline's in the background going like this. Oh my god, guys. I'm very happy with this whole so far. This dress is giving me body I didn't even know that I had. It is serving, it's giving us looks. This is like walk in and like show stuff. This is so cute. I love this. This is like definitely right down my alley. I love the color. I love the texture. I love the stretch that it has. It's a little bit see-through, so you definitely have to wear tan undergarments with this, but honestly, worth it for this cute dress. I love it. She's adorable. This was Ariana Grande Met Gala 2019. Caroline says it was 2018. We're about to fight over it. What's it say?
2018.
Are you kidding me?
I was right.
I know nothing about
you.
fashion. Caroline, just get over here and film the rest of the video. It's like artsy. Like this is what I saw like the whole time I was running around Europe and going to all the museums. I went to the Louvre and this was like what the ceilings looked like. Beautiful. I'm gonna look like a piece of art. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm never taking this off. We can just stop the video right here. I feel like painted by Michelangelo, Monet, Renoir. Someone painted me and I am a beautiful masterpiece. I'm never taking it off. I also weirdly feel like those tattoo sleeves back from like circa 2000, but whatever. That's besides the point. I feel more like a beautiful little angel artwork than a tattoo sleeve. So that's what matters. But this is so pretty. I love it. I'm never taking it off. I am gonna be surprised if anything else in this haul is my favorite because this is definitely my favorite right now. Oh, wait, we have another one of these weird tags. This is gonna look so weird trying it on with this. I wasn't gonna originally order this just because I already had the tan one in my cart. But the girl in the picture was just literally killing it. Insert picture over my face, right here. Look how good she looks. You can't tell me she doesn't look bomb. Oh my God. I ordered it because I want to be her when I grow up. I ordered it because I want her to be my best friend. I ordered it because I want her life. Like I want to trade lives with her. That is what I want, and I was hoping that this shirt could give me that. Okay, so I was hoping I wouldn't like this because I'm pretty sure it was like almost $40 for this top. Don't quote me on that. I'll put the price here. But I kind of like it. Like, don't we like this? Like, look at the little puff sleeve. Super cute. Crop top. It kind of has everything I like in a shirt, honestly. This is like a silky material. And then again with like the art pieces, I'm like, girl, you might have sold me on this. I don't know, like, should I keep it? I have like 30 days to return it, so I have some time to think about it, but I really like it so far. I also got this pretty basic shirt, but it had like this ruching on the side, so I feel like it'll be like a basic, but like also a little bit fun. You can never have too many basics in your wardrobe. So gray is not a color that I typically wear just because I'm scared of sweating through it in about 0.2 seconds. I think it's like cute because the ruching on the side, like I think that's like a really cute detail. And I like that it's a little bit cropped, so it doesn't show too much if you wear high-waisted jeans like this. You can tie it like really tight too and make it as high as you want. But obviously we're keeping it classy on this channel. Yeah, the only con I have is just the color, which obviously it can't help, it was born this way. But I don't know, I just feel like I'd sweat through this. Like, do you guys have that problem? I literally don't know why I'm gross. I just like sweat through gray stuff. You can see it in like literally 30 seconds after wearing it. I'm like, I leave the house, walk out, and all of a sudden I look disgusting, and I'm like, why did I just spend all this time getting ready when I already look atrocious? The disrespect. The other comment that I have is it's a little bit tight, like on the arms. I don't remember what size this is. I will link it in the description, but the arms are just really tight. Like this part's honestly fine. Like I like whenever stuff is like this, but honestly the next size up would also be still tight. I would recommend sizing up if you get this top. Girl, I don't know. You know, it's like one of those things, and like we were shopping at like 3 in the morning. What is this for?
Halloween. It looks like Clueless.
Maybe I just found my Halloween costume, honestly. Plaid with like puff shoulders. Luckily they have free returns. I have a few problems with this dress. Weird material, it's like kind of itchy. This would not be comfortable to wear all the time. Also, I don't know if I bought this in the maternity section or what, but everywhere else on this dress is tight except for the stomach area. You could eat 6 meals in this dress and still be fine. I could carry a child to term in this dress. You could sneak stuff into stadiums here. Everywhere else is tight. Like this, I cannot even stretch my legs at all. But here is just so much room. I just don't know where I would even wear this. In conclusion, not good. We will be returning this. The next thing I got is this blazer. I was just trying to like buy some business casual stuff. I don't know, it looked really cute. I'm surprised it did not come wrinkled. This has been in the packaging for like at least a week because I just like put off filming this video. But yeah, we'll see how this goes. Like it honestly like looks like it's gonna be really cute, and like this will be like just like a nice, this will be like just a little like this will just be like light. This will just be like an, am I broken? This will just be a nice piece to layer over a dress or something. This will probably even look cute over this right now. Oh my god, corporate America, here I come. I feel like a businesswoman. Someone hire me. Oh my god, this is so cute. Is this not adorable? I don't have anything like this in my wardrobe. I have one other blazer, but it's like very professional. You can dress this down. You can wear this just like around, or you can wear it to your job. We love a multi-purpose item in our closet. I also just want to give a shout out to Pretty Little Thing for the quality of this piece. I don't know how they made this, but there are no wrinkles on it. So I'm very excited about that because this was folded up and shoved into a tiny little package for weeks. So I'm very impressed. You could literally shove this in your suitcase and know that whenever you get to your destination, it will not have wrinkles, and you know that you can count on this little blazer. So very cute, we love that. Okay, we now have 3 weird tags. I don't know what is so special about like these specific articles of clothing. Not all of them come with this weird tag, but this is really cute. I love neutral colors. I just feel like they look so girly and like classy and whatever. I'm really excited for how this is gonna look. I hope it turns out cute, so we'll try it on. This is cute. Like, am I obsessed with it? No, but I think that this is a fun little top to just like switch it up for wearing like basic stuff or whatever. It's okay. It's okay. I'm not obsessed with it. I don't love her. She's okay. I like her. But this is the back. Cute. It's okay. It's okay. I'm picky. I'm being hard on it. I'm sure that this is a great shirt. So next I have this. I don't even know what's going on with this. This is giving me like Ariel vibes, like with like a seashell bra. If this was in purple, I would literally be Ariel. Pretty Little Thing, make this in purple and I will be Ariel for Halloween actually. This is like kind of fun. I don't know, we're gonna see how this looks. I feel like this is gonna look really weird on. I'm kind of scared actually. I don't know how we feel about it. I don't know what my obsession with puff sleeves is on this haul, honestly. Not sure what's going on with that. This is definitely a weird material. It's sheer here. I don't know, it like looks weird together, doesn't it? And then it's also like not made that well. There are strings popping out. You definitely can't see it because you're far away, but there are strings just like hanging out, and I literally have not worn this yet, so I feel like this would not last very long. It's just not good quality. I mean, it's okay, but I'll probably not keep this. I'll probably return it just because I'm not obsessed with it. Okay, so this is the next thing we have. Guys, I don't know what I was doing when I was ordering these clothes. I feel like this is giving me Pilgrim vibes or like Little House on the Prairie. Like, I don't know what is happening. It looked good on the model, and like now that I have it here, I'm like trying to envision it on myself. Like, I don't have a lot of faith in this. Okay. not ideal. Oh my god, it's like paper bag but make it fashion. Like, this is so okay, this is how we have to film the rest of this dress because it's bad. It's really bad. We spent like 20 minutes trying to button these buttons. The buttonholes are too small for the buttons, so Caroline and I spent like literally 20 minutes trying to button 4 buttons. We didn't finish it. You can see in the middle, it's not done up all the way. This dress does not fit. It does not look good, and it's not even worth trying it on the rest of the way. It just looks so bad. Everything is popping out. I don't know who invented this dress, but I'm about to throw hands. I don't like it. It's so bad. It's so, just, okay, cut here. We're cutting here. Okay, so final thoughts. Some of the pieces are my new ride or dies. I love them. I'm obsessed with some of them, like especially the little Renaissance one. Oh my god, is that not the cutest thing you've ever seen in your life? That will literally be on my Instagram probably tomorrow. No, I'm not. I'm kidding. I have nowhere to go right now, but as soon as I have places to go, that's the first shirt I'm wearing out of the house. As far as some of the other pieces, we're not feeling them. You know, just some of them we're sending right back. We're just gonna pretend like that never happened. Erasing it from our memory as we upload to the internet for everyone to see forever. I hope that you guys like these types of videos because I love making them. Leave a comment down below and let me know what your favorite piece was from this haul. Let me know what your least favorite piece was from this haul. There are quite a few, so let's see what your opinions are. But that's all I have for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!